Alright guys, so I know I've done a video on this product, but I wanted to try to record it in a higher resolution and frame rate. So I have it at UHD 60 frames per second, so that hopefully we can see this on camera. So there should be no motion blur, as you can see, barely any motion blur, unlike when we're recording on 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second. So I have the night light on because I'm gonna forget to turn it on before I go to bed if I don't. So the button back here, right above the USB-C port, and hopefully you guys can see this. See? You see the slight little... Should I put something darker back behind there? Let's see. Oops, my aloe fell. Oops, my hat fell. But you can sort of see the little wispy wisps, right? And then... oh, I think you could see it turn off. Just focus, lock. Ready? Oh, there she is. You can sort of see her. Yeah, like that. You could sort of see the mist coming out, right? That's the one side. I don't know if you could see it like that. That little tiny mist stream. There we go. And then just, yeah. So there's a constant flow stream, and then there's the stream, stop, stream, stop. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys in more frame rate to see if we could actually see it. I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, I haven't had to fill this up yet, and I've been running it all night for 3 nights now. The water was up to here before. Now it's only down to there. And yes, if I'm home, I run it while I'm awake. I don't know when it turns off. I don't know when it does the auto shut off. But I know sometimes it keeps going when I'm awake. Like when I wake up to go to work. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, as random as it was. But you know, if you're not new to this channel, if you're a regular to this channel, you know that's just how we roll around here. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you all so much. Hope you have a wonderful time of day or night that you're watching this video, that you see this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!